Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today it is, what time is it? 8:05 in the morning. I am here at the parking lot at work. I thought it would be funny. It would be something if I showed you my morning makeup routine for work. But yeah, I'm so tired. Oh, I'm wearing my uniform shirt. Also, I do wear glasses most of the time that you'll see me in contacts, but for my job we look at computers a lot, so my eyes get super dry and my contacts get really irritated, so I will just wear my glasses. This is gonna be my morning routine. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and let's just go ahead and get started. This girl next to me is putting on her makeup too. So usually I will go in with my MAC Fix Plus as a primer water. I lately have been loving the Skindinavia makeup finishing spray with oil control as a primer because it is oil control, and I just like the way this sprays on my face. You know what I'm talking about if you have Urban Decay or even the Fix Plus, and when you spray it, it's just it hits you in your face. This one is a fine mist, so it's kind of very refreshing. It kind of reminds me of like those mist machines. It just kind of hits you with a nice cool refresher. That's exactly what this is, and it's actually amazing. I got this. They're always having coupons, they're always having deals, so go check them out. They have different kinds for oil control, not oil control. I know they have a set for like bride-to-be's, like that want their makeup to last all day, and this will definitely be something to look into. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off these bad boys and spray the face with this. I like to go in with brows. And I'm also using something new. It's the Maybelline Total Temptation Brow Definer in Soft Brown. I actually kind of like it. I didn't think I was. I didn't think I was going to like this spoolie, but the spoolie is actually really nice. For foundation, I've been loving this. It's the IT Cosmetics CC Cream. I'm in the shade Fair. This is actually really nice because it's a full coverage, but it doesn't feel heavy. And that is exactly what I'm looking for, especially for work every day. The sun is slowly creeping up. I usually won't do concealer. Sometimes I'll like do a spot treatment. Today I'm not feeling that. I just don't want to do that. So I'm gonna go in with my Coty Airspun. Dab this. This is kind of an extra step, but I like this extra step. It's the Bye Bye Pores, I guess it's like a translucent powder. This has transformed my base for foundation. Just pick up a little and I just put it right in this area. It just makes your face look more smooth and just flawless and just very airbrushed. I use the Butter Bronzer in Light. Tiny bit. Plenty of time. Just gonna bronze, bring some life back to my face. I'll also get my Morphe M433 brush and my Hoola bronzer, and someone's gonna park next to me, so there's that. Awesome. And I'll go ahead and take some up and just contour my nose a little bit. Because actually, does anybody else wear glasses and hate, like, because I never just want to take them off because I can't see in a mirror, it'll be all up in my face? So I just lift my glasses. Really, for an everyday base, I won't really do much to this sort of section, but I'll do a little bit extra today. So again, I'll go in with that and just put this all over my lid. Did you hear that? My lid. I'm gonna drink some. So this is an iced latte with caramel in it at Dunkin' Donuts. It's so good. I'm not a coffee drinker at all. I mean, I'll have a few cups or something, but I just don't like it. I like it, but I don't like the aftertaste. But these are a lot smoother, so I would definitely recommend that. Next is blush. I'll be using it as a mirror. I'll be using my Real Techniques and my Tarte Amazonian Clay in Risque. This is just I think this is a really flattering color for a lot of people. I think it could go with a lot of skin tones. So I would pick this up and it lasts all day. It's a nice natural flush of blush. For eyes, like I said, I won't do a lot. I don't even put mascara on sometimes because my eyelashes are already pretty long, so they hit the glass of my glasses. Is there another word for that? I won't do the sun, sorry. I won't do a lot, but for today I will, so I'll be using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Lift up these guys. And I won't, like I said, I won't do a whole lot. You can do as much as you want. I just like to coat the ends really, just so it looks like I have a lot on. And so it looks like I'm awake. That's a good trick, to make it look like you're awake. Usually I go in with a few options. I brought a few today. If I'm feeling more of a lipstick, I'll go with the MAC Viva Glam 2. It's this really pretty pink. Go in with this, the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick. These are the chocolate ones. This one smells so good. It's in Candyman. It's just a really pretty nude pink. It's one of my favorites. It is a little drying, so beware of that. But my favorite out of the L'Oreal Infallibles are the Pro Matte Gloss. This is in the shade Statement Nude. It is my all-time favorite. When I think of fall, I think of this color. It sits on the lips really well. It's a really nice flattering color. I think a lot of people will like this, and it's very underrated. I'm pretty sure they're still out there. I'm pretty sure they still make this, so I'm gonna be doing this one. To kind of smudge out the edges a little bit, this is all scratched off because I've used it so much and it's been sitting in my bag, but this is the Buxom, those jumbo lip pencils, and this is in the shade Hush Hush, and it's really close to this color as a liner, but I just like the applicator on the other end. It's the brush and just kind of smooths everything out. And just for one more tip for my oily skin girls out there, it's this Ulta Mattifying Balm. So it's just this almost like a silicone based balm, super smooth. I think this is less than 10 bucks. That comes with a little applicator sponge, and it has changed the game for me, especially in this area, especially if you wear glasses or sunglasses or whatever, because my glasses touch my cheek right here, the inside, as well as obviously my nose. Duh. But I like to put this on to kind of like almost like a sealant. It seals just everything in from sliding, from moving, it just stays in place. And I recommend this a lot. I've never heard actually anybody talk about this. The Ulta brand has some really good stuff. You just gotta give it a chance, I guess. So one last time, pull those bad boys back and just press it. Right here, and it'll just, seriously, it'll just help you so much. is the end of my morning makeup routine video. Super simple. It makes you look more awake and a little more alive, and I feel a little bit better along with my friend. Does anybody else people watch in their car? Like if you're at the mall or something? Because I do. And it's a thrill. If you have reached the end of this video, thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Also hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. I haven't really been uploading at all, really. But fall is almost here. I get really inspired by everything during that season, so hopefully I will kick out some more new videos for you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye! And I can't even like take a nap. Like, you know when your eyes are heavy and you want to sleep, but you don't? What is that?